Welcome to Divine Healing Channel. This is Pinky Mishra, the angelic healer and the spiritual mentor. Today's new moon meditation will bring inner balance, harmony, and help you to ground. It is meant to liberate, cleanse the old energy and allow you to prepare for new chapter in your life. Sit or lie down in a comfortable and relaxed positions before starting this new moon meditation. Close your eyes and take some deep relaxing breath. Allow the breath to flow to each part of your body to assure you are comfortable and liberating yourself from any old painful energies which you are holding within. Now call in your angels, your spirit guides, your ancestors, your higher selves, the source of divine love, to create a circle of love around you with a golden frequency of light. Make yourself or give yourself the permissions for liberation. Allow yourself to relax and make your physical body to release. Open yourself to merge in this moment. You have your desires, dreams. Some are fulfilled, some are yet to fulfilled. You may be holding pain, suffering because of these dreams, desires which are yet to be fulfilled. Today, through this new moon energy, allow yourself, give yourself the permissions to release, liberate yourself from this deep pain and anchored to feel love within, feel yourself whole again, to step into harmony, balance, and open yourself for a new chapter in your life. Breathe deep within. Allow the new moon energy to help you feel centered for this healing and blessing. It is a wonderful time to set intention and to create visions, to clear your old energy and to step into possible and positive new beginnings. Dive deep within. Look deep inside you. Feel those unfulfilled desires, those pain within. Feel those bad habits which you feel been blocking you to experience joy in your life. Feel those unwanted emotions which no longer serving you, still you are holding within. Now the time has come. Hand over these painful, sufferingful emotions to your angels, to your divine helping team, so that at this moment you can be aligned with your true nature. Allow yourself to be free today and right now. Let these emotions float away from each cell of your body with your every breathing from top of your head to your toe. Softening, releasing your pain into the arms of your angels, your divine spirit guides. Feel any pain, heaviness, any disappointment, any feeling of rejections been connected to your dreams or desires. Feel them disappearing into the stream of compassionate love of your divine spirit guides right now. Allow the divine interventions in your divine essence. Continue to feel relaxed and let go and surrender your pain to your angels, to your divine helpers. Allow yourself to experience the healing energy of new moon in the presence of your angels, your spirit guides, and give your mind, body, your entire energy to go through this cleansing process, to feel uplifted and recharged. Feel the touch of your angels, of your guides with love and clearing you to anchor to the feeling of freedom, the joy of life, now, present, the moment, and allow you to access all the gifts of now that has to offer you. Give yourself the permissions to attune to the divine love, the feeling of wholeness within. Breathe out. Every breath is an opportunity to free yourself, to anchor to new life. Allow the angel of hope to step into your auric field to carry you to a new level of clarity and wisdom. Open yourself to receive and connect to divine unconditional love. Allow yourself to merge in it, making you feel whole. You are the universe. Surrender to this feeling. Allow it to flow in to each part of your body from head to tail, melting to pure love. You are whole. Feel your angels are supporting you, holding you to ground. Give the permissions. Allow the divine love to move freely to every area of your life. The divine love in this new moon is going to open you to the right directions, right path in your life, in your material desire, in all aspects of your life, in your inner peace path. This divine love clears all your chakras, provide you protections, and open you to the right path to your own divine nature. Feel connected to ground, Mother Earth deeply. Touch your toe to earth and feel how everything that surrounds you is helping you gently to fulfill your wishes. You are supported and guided now. The new chapter has started and you are refreshed and ready to move in the directions of your desired path. You are whole, you are blessed and uplifted by this new moon energy. Express your gratitude to your angels, your divine helpers, divine love, and allow yourself to float in this feeling for a while and slowly come back to present. You are uplifted, whole, and blessed.